Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Check out this gorgeous ceiling fan from WINGBO that has totally exceeded my expectations. So I cannot tell you guys how gorgeous this fan is. In person, it is simply stunning. I really love this beautiful matte black and brass color combination, although you can get this in other colors as well. I chose the 54-inch size with a light, and it is just perfect. I love that these 5 fan blades are sort of in a staggered design, so it just makes it super unique. It's just really different than other fans that I've seen, and so I really love that. So you can operate this with the remote that is included, and it has 3 different color light settings, and it has 6 different fan speeds, including timers as well. So you can set this for a certain time and it'll go off automatically. It also includes a 4.5-inch and a 12-inch down rod. We use the 4.5-inch and it looks really great in this bedroom. The motor on this fan is super quiet. It's basically silent. Even on the highest setting, you barely even hear that it is on. I also really appreciate that this fan was super well packed with all of the pieces intact, and it was actually very easy to put together. So I assembled some of this on my own, and then my husband actually placed it up on the ceiling for me, and it really took maybe 20 minutes or so. It was very simple to do, and the instructions were very clear. This fan is a great option for anyone. It is so beautiful, it's easy to install and extremely functional, having the options of 3 different light settings and 6 different fan speeds. So I am sure that you are going to love this beautiful ceiling fan from WINGBO, and that's my point of view.